Leaving the tranquility of the English countryside behind, London offers Christmas fun fit for a queen and streets twinkling with joy. There's magic in the air, or is that snow? Here in Trafalgar Square, in the heart of the city, a winter wonderland has been created just for the day.
It's a lovely snowy day, isn't it?
Father Christmas has dropped by for the wintry fun, and London's town crier is in fine form as he passes out mince pies and holiday cheer. Nearby at Somerset House, once a grand palace, the courtyard has been transformed into an ice skating rink, elegant enough to make a commoner feel like royalty. At Covent Garden, shoppers can find classic toys for tots at Benjamin Pollock's famous toy shop, in business since the 1880s. The joy and peace of the Christmas season bring both people and countries together. This giant spruce, a gift from the citizens of Oslo, is a reminder of the friendship forged between Britain and Norway during World War II. And Norway is where we're headed next.